So this is the look that I got for you today. So this is another Halloween look that I went for. This one was actually inspired by Beauty Bay. I think on their website or on the app, when you went onto there and they were advertising their new Halloween makeup collections with all the different brands, there was a couple of photos on there and this was one of them. I will put it on the screen now just so you can see, but that's where I got the idea for this look from. I hope you did enjoy the video. I used some pretty cool palettes today. Two of them were two of my favourites from Morphe, and one was the Jeffree Star Morphe palette, the Morphe 35 Boss Mood palette, and then also the Weekend Festival palette by BH Cosmetics. On my lips, I used the Lottie London Slay All Day matte lipstick in the shade Low Key, and then also for my highlight, I've actually got this. I bought it the other day. This is actually from I Heart Revolution. It's part of their Halloween collection that they just brought out, and this is a highlighter. I think there was 3 different shades of the highlighter, and I went for the cool tone one. I think they had a pinky one and then like more of a bronze one, but that is what it looks like, and I thought that would be great for some Halloween looks, and I thought why not try it out today. So I did put it up in the high points just on my cheekbone and also on my brow bone. I did also put it just on the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and my cupid's bow. So yeah, I'm really loving the look. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, remember to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Remember to hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Just remember to hit that notification bell just so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also follow me on my Instagram account, which is just at the bottom here, and also follow me on my Twitter account, which is also at the bottom here as well. Also follow me over on my TikTok account just by here, and until next time guys, take care.